Hi, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie, and today I am with my mom, Ruth, and she has made these beautiful quilts that we are going to wrap baby dolls in for Operation Christmas Child. This is my sweet mom who has been quilting for a number of years. Mom, how old are you?
I am going to be, I'm 90 right now. I'm going to be 91 in a couple of months.
Okay, next month actually, I believe.
Yes.
All right, and how long have you been quilting?
I really don't know because I hadn't, I was sewing before and all my children grew up and they didn't need the clothes I made. So then I started quilting.
So about when I left the house.
I would say so.
Okay. I bought these dolls. They were on clearance at Walgreens, and I brought them to you. Well, actually, I brought this one to you, and you named her. What's her name?
Pinky.
Pinky. And you decided to make a quilt for Pinky, and this is the first one you made, right?
I think so.
Okay. And how did you find the fabrics and stuff?
Oh, these are just, I had a bunch of little squares, and that's what I use on this.
Just some scrap squares and stuff?
Yeah, and then you can buy, they sell, and you can buy packages of squares.
Okay.
So I had some, and then I had the pink material.
So you had the fabric on the back.
Yes.
And then what's in between?
It's batting.
Okay.
Quilt batting.
And did you have to hand quilt or sew this?
I don't hand quilt. I do it all by machine.
Okay, and this is just beautiful. I love all the little squares, and then the way you quilted it, it just looks adorable.
Well, thank you.
Okay, so you have some others here. So can you tell me about this one?
Well, that one I decided to put a different piece of fabric in each one so there would be a variety, and so that they could even do I Spy with it.
Oh, how cute. So this is kind of like an I Spy. I spy a turtle.
Yes.
I spy a penguin. I spy a cat. I spy a dog. Very nice. I like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's look at a couple of the others that you made. So this one is in blue.
Yeah.
And again, just the squares.
Just the squares.
Okay. And, oh my goodness, this one is tiny little squares.
I had small squares. No, that's not what
It's okay.
I went to what would be the equivalent of a garage sale, and I bought quilt blocks that somebody had done and had in the garage sale. So those are quilt blocks I picked up at a garage sale.
Oh, and they turned out so cute and so beautiful. Yeah. All right. And let's see. Here's one. Now this one, you just used 2 solid pieces of fabric.
Right.
Quilted it. So it's very simple, but I know some child is really going to love and enjoy this. Mm-hmm. It can be like a lovey for them.
Yes.
Or a blanket for their doll.
Yes.
And then this one is one of my favorites.
This is Noah's Ark. And this was a piece of fabric that I had that was a panel.
Okay.
And on the front you see Noah and the Ark and the different animals. And on the back, this is the Ark. It says 40 days and 40 nights. And so you need to know the story about Noah and the Ark.
Wow, this would make a great quilt for a themed box. I could see like putting in a little boat and some animal toys and stuff in the box. That's just beautiful. Love that. And you're still working on things, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
So this one is in process. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but she started quilting, but she has to finish quilting it, and then it will be done and ready for another doll.
Yes.
Awesome. Why are you doing this?
Why am I doing this? One reason is I love it. I love to quilt. I love to sew. And another reason is that I love to be able to give my things away. people have asked me, do you sew and take orders for money? And no, I do not. I sew for love. And if I can give something to someone that would enjoy it, that's what my reward.
Oh, that's wonderful. These are going in Operation Christmas Child shoe boxes.
Yes.
And not only is it for just a child to be blessed, but it's also for a child to know that God loves them.
Yes.
And how does that make you feel?
That makes me feel good.
Good. Thank you so much for sharing. I think we're going to start wrapping up some of these babies in the quilts, and then I'll show you what they look like all wrapped up.
All right.
Here they are, all wrapped up and ready to be put into a shoebox. We've just wrapped them around the babies and tied them with a little ribbon. And I think they just look beautiful and adorable. And here, hold another one. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And until next time, toodles!
Goodbye.